If someone gave you a locked box that could make you rich beyond your wildest dreams, but you could only open it under one strict condition, would you have the patience to stay poor? Deep in a quiet valley lived an old merchant named Devon. He possessed a legendary fortune, but as he grew frail, a greedy young man named Ravi barged into his home. Ravi didn't care about the old man's health. He only wanted to know the secret to his massive wealth. Instead of getting angry, the old merchant smiled weakly. He reached under his bed and pulled out a heavy, beautifully carved wooden box wrapped in iron chains and secured with a heavy brass padlock. The old man whispered, "Inside this box is the ultimate secret to boundless wealth. It contains a relic that turns everything it touches into opportunities of gold. I will give it to you under one condition. You must keep this box in the center of your main room. You must never open it, never break the lock, and never peek inside for exactly 1 full year. If you break it early, the magic vanishes, and you will face absolute ruin. But if you wait the full 365 days, the key will magically appear." Ravi grabbed the heavy box and ran home, laughing with joy. The first month was easy, but as the month passed, poverty hit the village. Food became scarce, and Ravi's clothes grew ragged. Every single day, he stared at the box, knowing that inside lay the answer to all his miseries. His friends mocked him, saying, "You have a chest of gold, yet you starve." The temptation was a burning fire. Every night, he held a hammer over the lock, his hands shaking, fighting the urge to smash it open. To distract his mind from the agonizing temptation, Ravi finally did something he had never done before. He went to work. To pass the time, he started farming, trading, and learning how the market worked. Because he was so desperate to keep his mind occupied, he worked harder than anyone else. By the 9th month, his hard work began to pay off. He earned enough for food, bought better clothes, and repaired his house. Finally, day 365 arrived. Ravi was no longer the lazy, greedy boy. He was now a successful, respected trader. With a racing heart, he sat before the box. Suddenly, a small brass key slipped out from the secret lining of the wood. With trembling hands, Ravi unlocked the heavy padlock. He threw open the lid, expecting diamonds, gold, or a magical scroll. The box was completely empty. There was nothing inside but a small mirror at the very bottom. Ravi stared at his own reflection, and suddenly, tears filled his eyes as he finally understood. The old merchant hadn't lied. The box did contain the secret to wealth. It wasn't gold. It was the discipline, patience, and hard work Ravi was forced to develop just to avoid opening it. The magic was never inside the box. It was inside him all along. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. MotiveGlow Stories.